Hey guys, today is Monday, November 27, 2023, and my mom and I are staying at the Dorado Royale Casitas resort in Cancun, Mexico, and this is our tour of our guest room here at the Dorado Royale Casitas. Okay, here's the door. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Okay, hang on a second. Start with the bathroom. Got some sinks over here and towels and a scale to weigh yourself, and a trash can, a mirror right here with that white little ring around the mirror is actually a glow in the dark ring when you plug it in. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. Oh, hey everybody. And in here, let's see, we got a toilet, and in here we got a shower. And over here, they have a little outdoor shower here. I believe that's the faucet for it to spray out onto the shower. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. Here, let's take a look out here from this side. There it is. An outdoor shower. Okay. Hang on a second. Here's the closet. And the air conditioner up there. Safe. And let's see. Anything good in here? Yeah, it's blocked. My mom's suitcase is in the way. Oh well. And here's, what kind of bed is this, Mom? What kind of bed is this?
A really huge king.
A huge king bed right here. And a little couch right here with a stool. And a little chair, square chair right there. A desk. TV. Lamp. Oh, hey everybody. And in here, got some water bottles, if you can see it, and some glasses and coffee/tea makers stuff. And in here, if you can see it, we got a little mini fridge. Let's see what we got in here. Got some beer and Kool-Aid, water bottles, Lay's chips, which in Mexico they're called Sabritas instead of Lay's. Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, Sprite, Fanta, some more beer, and some chocolate roll things right there. That's really cool. Okay, hang on. And over here we got a bathtub. With little rocks in that spot of the bathtub. Right over here, we got some nightstands for over here and where my mom's at. And a couple of chairs and a little table right here. Picture right there of a tree. And we got a view out here. Last time we were in a casita room 5 years ago in 2018, we had a swim-up suite. But this time, we don't. Hang on a second. I'll show you what it looks like outside. Hang on a second. Oh. Okay, hang on a second. Got a little bed right here. And some table and chairs. some bed sheets for covers or something. Yeah, and this is the view from our room. There's a swimming pool over there. And the ocean over there. The beach. Yep, it's a pretty good looking hotel room here. Okay, hang on a second. Close the door. Okay. Alright guys, so that's our room tour for this year, 2023, while we're on our vacation to Cancun and Riviera Maya, Mexico. This is actually my sixth vacation to Cancun and Riviera Maya, Mexico this year. Been coming here since like 2016. We came here in like 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020 during the COVID pandemic, and now 2023. Yeah, 6 times. Can't believe it. Alright guys, well, I'll see you guys to show you guys what we have going on for dinner tonight. Okay, see you guys then. Bye.